The Orange Shirt Day recognizes the harm caused by the residential school system to generations of Indigenous people and upholds our collective commitment to ensure every child matters. We have a very long road ahead of us, and I think many of us were hopeful 18 months ago that we would not be still having these conversations today, but we are. Thanks to everyone for everything you're doing to make care as safe as possible for our patients and continuing to support each other, which is so critical through this most critical of times.
In terms of hospital admissions, we have more people in hospital than last year around the same time. What makes us struggle or may make us struggle in this fourth wave is the unvaccinated individuals. The protection in terms of testing positive, you only have a 7 times higher risk to test positive if you're unvaccinated. Those risks change significantly once you're looking at severe outcomes of the infection. So requiring hospital admission 21 times higher risk if you're unvaccinated and 79 times higher risk for an ICU admission. And these numbers are not adjusted for age. So the true effect is actually much larger than what you can see here.
We have over 9,000 devices that are going to be deployed across the organization in support of the new technology and paperless efforts that we'll have in our workflows, starting with large workstations on wheels, WOWs. So they'll be going out and starting, as well as label printers and scanners, etc. They'll be operational as soon as they're installed. And looking ahead into December, you'll be asked to start to register for training sessions to learn the new system. Yes, it's going to start to feel very real. Everybody in the organization that uses the clinical system will start to get their training scheduled. So a lot starting to happen that's going to feel very real and starting to ramp up the activity towards that June go live date.
Today is an opportunity for each and every one of us to have meaningful conversations on all aspects of residential schools, the impacts they had on families, and the devastating legacy they have left behind. This day is meaningful to survivors and reminds us that every child matters. Ask yourself what you will do as an individual to support completing these calls to action and engaging in meaningful reconciliation.
I hope everyone takes today to have some meaningful conversations as we reflect on why we have Orange Shirt Day and Canada's first National Day for Truth and Reconciliation. So thank you, everyone, and have a good day.